Yo, basket up, welcome to another episode of Techlify on YouTube. My name is Nee the King, and today we're looking at downloading content on social media onto your phone. I'll teach you apps that you can use on Android and on iPhone. So stick around and don't go away. To begin, download the SMV downloader on the Play Store, search for it in the search bar and download that. It pretty much works for all the major platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So quickly download that, allow it to access your storage, and you're good to go. Head on over to Instagram, select the post you'd like to download, select the options button at the top right corner of the post, select copy link from the pop-up, and get into the SMV downloader. Now, paste the link you just copied into the text bar or the Instagram tab and click on download. When it's done, it will notify you in your notifications, and you can scroll down and select that. So it takes you into your gallery. Now, when you enter your gallery, you'd find that the image has been successfully downloaded. Simple, right? Yeah. Similar process goes for Twitter too. Go to the tweet you'd like to download. Now tap on the share button at the bottom right corner of the tweet. Select copy link to tweet. Now get into the SMV downloader app. Paste the link into the text bar under the Twitter tab and click on download, and the app does the rest for you. When it's done, it notifies you. Click on the notification, it takes you into your gallery, and you'd find the tweet downloaded for you. For WhatsApp, you really don't have to do anything. What SMV does is it automatically downloads all the WhatsApp statuses you've already viewed and categorizes them under images and videos. No fuss, no hassle. You can actually watch the videos all inside of the app and view the images inside of the app too. Let's take a look.
Our parents will do, and every day there will be war in the house. So, why are you insulting your child that you go school, you go fail physics? They ask you a boy on top of a tree with initial velocity. How comes that the boy is on top of a tree? That boy is a bad boy. He should come down. A canon. What canon?
You can't download YouTube videos in the app, but you might not be able to access it outside of the app. Now I'll teach you how to download and how to access it in your phone storage. So search for the video you'd like to watch, open it up, then in the list of buttons under the video, tap on the share button and tap on copy link. Now once you've grabbed the link, open up any browser of your preference and type in the URL y2mate.com. Once the website loads up, paste the link into the text box you find in there, and it automatically fetches the video for you. Now you have the option of downloading video or audio, and for the video you have a list of various resolutions you can download. So I just pick one and just download that. Then edit the name and click on download. It does the rest for you. It downloads it and sends it straight to your gallery. Now you can view the video right in your browser or get into your gallery, then view it. So that's it for YouTube. This process should work for both Android and on iPhones too. Now let's look at some alternatives for iPhone users. First off, we have Documents by Redo. This allows you to download videos from any other platform, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and even Vimeo. Second, we have Tap Browser and Bolt Browser. These special browsers allow you to directly download YouTube videos right from the website. Now we have Ingrammar.com, fbdown.net, and en.savefrom.net, and these websites can be used by iPhone users to download Instagram videos, Instagram Reels, Instagram images, same for Facebook videos, images, and en.savefrom.net for YouTube. These also are recommended for Android users and can be used by Android users. So there you go. Thanks for sticking with us to the end. I know you liked this video. I know you enjoyed it. I know you've learned a lot from it. So tap the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new and you've not. And thanks to everyone who's made this app 11 subscribers strong. And I appreciate everyone who's taking time to subscribe, who's taking time to watch our videos. Thank you so much. Follow us on Instagram at Techdefy. Shoot us a mail at techdefy.mail@gmail.com, and we'll reply as soon as we can. And tell us in the comments what you want us to cover next, or send us a DM on Instagram with what you want us to cover in our next video. And I'll catch you in our next video, same channel, same platform. This is my way of signing out. My name is Nidakin. Stay safe.